Well, hello, my loves, and happy Sunday to you. I can't wait to share the project with you today. I have a great idea, not finished yet, of course, but I like where it's going so far. So before I go over what I've done, a couple things. Today is the last day for the early bird pricing for the Gratifying Grunge workshop, which there's 12 techniques, 4 projects. This one's probably my favorite. It's just a really fun, grungy, yummy, good workshop. And then, let's see, the collage papers that I use today will be on sale. And then the fall stencils, all the fall stencils, they're all in one category in the shop. Those are going to be on sale for the next 2 weeks. And I'm going to be doing some extra fall projects for you to get some ideas if you want to take advantage of that sale. Fall stencils. What else did I have to tell you? I don't think there's anything else. Okay, so let's go over what I've done so far. So I am working in my Sunday Inspiration Journal, and it's a handmade journal. And I put some papers down first with some matte gel. And I did matte gel because I knew I was going to be doing a little bit of detail in here, but I wanted those papers to be interesting. So those are the collage papers that are going to be on sale. Put those papers down with matte gel, and then I came back with this kind of rusty material that I actually made during the rustic one of the workshops. Something rust, I think. Anyway, and I put that down because it kind of had fall colors, and I really want this to be kind of unique and fun and, just a really casual journal page. And then I came back over with Pebio's Ivory, Nova Colors Payne's Gray, Raw Umber, Gesso, and then a little bit of Hooker's Green, and I added some black to that and kind of mix those up to kind of dull them down, and just did real quick brush strokes over that. First the background with the blues, then the kind of creamy colors and gesso, and then down here at the bottom to kind of represent some branches. But I don't want anything to be truly realistic in this so far. So that's what I've got so far. I love it so far, and I'm super excited. I'm going to be using my Black Crow stencil. So I think I'm going to actually do it this way. And I'll be using, I've got pulled out here Fall Leaves, and I've got one of the new ones, the Just Squares stencil. So these 2 fall ones will be part of that fall sale that'll be happening for 2 weeks, and you can get those so you can do your fall fun projects. I think that's it for what I've got going on. Okay, so I'm just going to turn the camera on and finish my project. I'm not going to come back and talk through anything. I'm allowing myself this week to have a little bit of quiet time. And that was my talk to myself last week. If you haven't watched last Sunday Inspiration, that was my work this week. And so this week, my journal page is real casual. And I'm allowing myself a little bit of space and not overthinking the project or wanting to add all the things. I'm just going to come in here and create and rest in this space. I love creating, and hopefully you will enjoy that. So don't forget about the stencil sale, the early bird pricing on the workshop, and then I hope you enjoy the project and have fun, and always know that you are loved. All right, let's finish this page.